evening, Diamond Master Jackson. So, a handsome guy from Korea. Thank you so much. Okay, so tonight we're going to discuss. So, I'm going to discuss about marketing plan or compensation plan. Also, it's very important topic to discuss for us to learn how to have income here in Atomy. Do you want to have income? Of course, we want all of us. That's why we joined Atomy because Atomy is a business for us to have income while we are using the products. Okay, so my son-in-law will share the screen. So this is about marketing plan that I'm going to discuss tonight. Next slide, please. Of course, I just introduced a little bit to myself. I'm Richard, a sales master from Philippines. So I hope some of you will come to Philippines. It's a good country. So I've been there in Korea for 2 years, and I really experienced a good culture. And I met Atomy there in Korea. Okay, so that's why I love Atomy because the products is so good, and of course there's an income while we are using the products. So I believe that your dream will come true. So all of us have dream, and Atomy is one of those part in our journey to fulfill our dream. So I know some of you wrote down your dream and your goal in your life scenario. So that's one thing that drives us to become successful also here in Atomy. Okay, next slide, please. So we introduce a little bit of our president, the CEO of Atomy, Park Hangil. So he founded Atomy 2009 in South Korea. Of course, he's a president who earned respect through honest management. So he founded our company way back 2009, and it's rapidly growing. Around more than 16 million members around the world. So our president, our CEO, is a respected man and very well known not just in Korea but globally in terms of network marketing. So that's our president. He's an energetic man and is very good also, and he always emphasize success for all the consumers. Okay, next slide, please. Of course, a company dedicated to customers' success. So the customer success is the principle wherein our company is holding on. So customer success is Atomy's goal and fundamental principle. So because while we are using the products, so not just to become happy and satisfied with all the products that we are using, there are more or less 600 kinds of products we have in Atomy, especially in Atomy Korea. But there are some countries that some products are not yet available. So when customers succeed, Atomy succeeds. Customer success is achieved through the best products. So our products are all high quality. We call that mastige. So mastige means affordable out in the market, but our products are all prestigious, high quality. So we call that the best product out in the market, and then focusing on customer success. So as I've said, we are not just satisfied with all the products, but we become successful here in Atomy if we do the business, because our company is doing the business through network marketing. So that's Atomy success. So that's the goal and the principle of our company through the life of our chairman, Hangil Park, that all the consumers will become successful. So I know you want to become successful, right? So become successful in Atomy, you will earn a lot of income. If you follow the so-called the system, okay, you have to plug in yourself to the system. It's very important. Next slide, please. So why Atomy? So why Atomy is reliable business partner? So if we're talking about business partner, Atomy is the best. So I could say that for more than 2 years in Atomy, So I now become sales master, and I really say that our company is reliable, a strong company, a solid foundation, and the system is so well developed. Okay, so systematic business, you can earn stable income through an established system, because we have a system here in Atomy. So you can have also the income system if you follow the system of Atomy. So Atomy's competitive advantage, a reliable company. So our company is reliable, well known, and very established company way back 2009 by our CEO Hangil Park, and now it's global. So open in 27 regions, and more than 50 countries now are open. Okay, so you can search that in our website, and you can see all the open countries, and it is reliable and also very competitive products. I could say that the products of Atomy are all competitive. Aside from most of them are organic, so the products are competitive out in the market because it has been developed with Colmar, and also manufacturer of high quality products, the global products, and one of those is Atomy. So Atomy company holding on to the principles of the high quality products. Okay, so we call that absolute quality and absolute price. That's the slogan or the principle of the company. Absolute products and absolute price. Okay, so that's our company. So Atomy is reliable. Next slide, please. So the good thing here in our business, although it's called multi-level marketing, but it's not like a traditional one. So a traditional one is it's like a pyramid that those who are on top will be always on the top. But here in Atomy is totally different. So we have a maximum level of amount. For example, the level of PB, point value, that we can accumulate only up to 2.4 million PB for our personnel. So all of that can meet on the top. So unlike any other traditional MLM, we call that multi-level marketing model, wherein those who are on top will always on top. Okay? But here in Atomy is totally different. We call that the fair ceiling system. So we have the level. All of us can be there on top. Okay, because we have only the ceiling. We call that 2.4 million PB for our personal. Once you reach in there, so that's the level. Okay, so that's the model of Atomy. It's very good, right? So, and you can accumulate the unlimited level. So even though you have a lot of people on your left, on your right, because this is multi-level marketing, you have to build your team on your left and your right. So through that, you can accumulate. Even though in your line, maybe on your left, you have a 500 people, someday you reach that level, and then 500 on your right. So all the commission, all the PBs accumulated to your group, you can accumulate that, and it should be your income. There is no level. That's we call that unlimited level of accumulation or income here in Atomy. But when it comes to the ceiling, all of us can only up to 2.4 million PB for the personal PB. Okay, so I hope you get it right. Okay, next slide, please. So Atomy is reliable business. When we talk about reliable, so we can depend on this business. That this business would not collapse, would not be closed, because even times of rapid change, Atomy stands strong. Okay? So we adapt the society's change. So that's Atomy. So we adapt all the system, and then our company would not be able to collapse even in times of uncertain economic environment. Even though our economy, like what happened in our the situation globally, there are lots of chaos and wars from different countries of the world, but Atomy will continue to flourish, will continue to grow rapidly. So even the economic uncertainty. So we can rely our business. This is very solid and strong company that even until our retirement age, okay? Because we can inherit uh, this business up to third generation. So our loved ones can inherit our business up to third generation. For those who are new here, so you heard this good news that once you started this business, your loved ones can inherit this business up to third generation. So even in your retirement age. So because some of us may be working in the company and then there are lots of uncertain retirement years. Maybe some of you don't have investment, so we don't have business. But here in Atomy, we are preparing not just now, but for our future. So once we do our best now, and then you will have the harvest, a plentiful harvest, and become successful someday. Okay, that's Atomy's promise from our chairman, from the system that we are holding on to. Okay, next slide, please. So Atomy is a global business. That's a good news, right? So because our company is just not just local, not just in Korea, but now it's global. Direct sales. Atomy is a network marketing company. So meaning, so you can accumulate a lot of income. It depends on how you work. If you work hard, then the company will compensate the hard work that you invested in Atomy. Okay, so you invest your time because once you join Atomy, there's no investment needed. What you invest here is your learning, time to learn, and to plug in yourself to the system, and of course, to continue to use the products as well. If we truly a businessman, so we are going to love the products and use it regularly. That's very important. So it is direct sales. So platform business. So actually, we are not selling products, but we are encouraging our downlines, our business partners down there in our left and right to purchase and buy products online. Okay, because our business is like an online shopping mall. Okay, so it's very easy and accessible. So anywhere, anytime. So once you have internet, you have data, you can access the platform of our business using your laptop, using your gadget, your phone, so you can do the business anywhere. Oh, that's a good thing, right? So you don't need any office or a place to sell your products, but only through the platform. Okay, using your handphone, using your phone, using your laptop, so you can start wherever you want to start. Okay, so that's good thing here in Atomy. Okay, next slide, please. And also is a system-based business. So you know what? Starting 2009, the system was built and established very well. So once we follow the system, so and this system are being supported with the business, and as I've said, is a good foundation, a solid foundation of business. So what is a system-based business? A business model that generates continuous income through a well-established system, allowing profit to flow even while you sleep. So we call that the income generating system, the system income that we have. Okay, so we call that the passive income, a continuous. Because if you are working, we call that active income. We call that the salary. If you don't work, you don't have the salary, right? So the company will not pay you. So that's we call that active income. You work and the company will pay. But here in Atomy, once you establish the system and plug in yourself to that, you will have the passive income. We call that system income. That even though while you're asleep, so you will earn here in Atomy once you build your line, your left and right, because we are building here a team of consumers in our line, right? Although you grow your line but your people are not buying products, so it's somehow like it's also a challenging time, but you must have to encourage your people, no, from your left group and your right group to purchase product as well as you do. So we call that use our products regularly, and then your income will follow. We call that the passive income. So we want that, right? That even though while we are sleeping, so we earn. That's a good thing here in Atomy. Okay, that's good news, right? So next slide, please. So we call here a compensation plan, fair and balanced. So we have here a binary system. Of course, if you reach 300,000 PB per personal, that's the basic earning here in Atomy, and then group PB, which is if you reach 300,000 on your left, 300,000 PB on your rights, and then you will have the income. So that's the basic income here in Atomy. And then unlimited level and accumulation. That's what I said a while ago, that even though you grow your line up to 500 people or more, you can still have the income, down there. So there is no limit in accumulation of PBs and income. Okay, only the limit is the ceiling wherein all of us can be there on top. Okay, so that's why we always say to our people and our partners, see you on the top because all of us can be there. Okay, that's a good thing here in Atomy. And there is a unique global marketing system. So it's very unique compared to others. So I've been there for different kinds of multi-level marketing here in Philippines, because here in Philippines, there are lots of multi-level marketing, and most of those marketing are like a pyramid. What those who are in top are always on the top. Okay, so but here at them is totally different. It's unique. Okay, we can use that word, very unique global marketing system. And then the compensation limit to guarantee fair income. So it is fair income. So here in Atomy, and it's good thing to have this because you're in the right company. Okay, you're in the right company. Okay, next slide, please. So this is a call from active income to financial freedom, building a passive income. That's what I said a while ago. That turned out to me we can have uh, financial freedom, no, building a passive income from active, no. Maybe you're working, so not to change suddenly to stop your work, but you must have to prepare yourself because from active, and then you can build your business well, and then you will have the passive income. Okay, so understanding the difference and putting a system in place. So that's why many times we are encouraged to plug in ourselves to the system. You learn the system because as businessmen and women in this company, we need to learn and understand the system well. Okay, for us to have the income, it's very important. Okay, next slide, please. So active income, we call that time for money. So you have a lot of time, income you earn by trading your time, effort, and service. That is active income. So it is about your time you work and then you earn. Example: salary, hourly wage, commission, self-employed. So, but there's limitation. If you stop working, the income stops, right? So that is we call active income. That's what I mentioned also a while ago. And then advantage, relatively immediate, controllable, often easier to start. But the problem, so there are limited income here in active income, no salary. But doing the business in Atomy, time will come, we will have the so-called passive income. Okay, so that's our goal to achieve also, to have passive income and financial freedom. Okay, next slide, please. So it is a comparison about the passive income, money on your terms. So the money will work for you. Income that continues to flow with little ongoing active involvement once set up. Okay, so once you plug in yourself to the system, so you will have a lots of passive income here in Atomy. So examples, rental property, if mostly managed, divided income, business system where you're not doing every task, why it matters. Freeze of time builds long-term wealth, gives flexibility and potential scalability. So what does it mean that we can manage our time? So here in Atomy, we can control the time. So we are doing this business based on our time. If you invest your time, so you will have a lot of income here. Okay, so of course, doing the business is not easy, but we must have to do our best. Right? Okay, next slide, please. So build a system, not just a job. So it's not a job or a business, but we need to build a system. Actually, the system of Atomy already set up. What Atomy wants us is to plug in ourselves. It's already set up. Everything is there, learnings, and so on and so forth. So it's already built, no, concretely and strongly. What we gonna do is to plug in yourself to the system. Okay, so that's what I want to figure out here in this part, that we are not building our own system in Atomy. The system is already there. What we gonna do is to plug in ourselves. It is like a source of power, and then what we gonna do is to plug in ourselves, to activate ourselves, and to have all of these income system. Because there in the system, there are lots of income once we understand. That's why it's very important. Learning matters here in Atomy. So keep on learning. Okay, so keep on learning. Okay, next slide, please. So Atomy marketing plan highlights. Many times we heard that there's no registration fee. That's a good thing here in Atomy. You are not required to register, no starter package, and it's binary system, unlimited level, ID inheritance system. That's what I told you that up to third generation, our ID can be inherited up to third generation. So that's the system here in Atomy. Okay, next slide, please. So once we purchase the product, because the important thing here is to accumulate the PBs. Okay, so because through accumulation, we will have income, meaning we need to purchase the products. Okay, so we need to try the products, use it regularly. So what products do you want? There are lots of cosmetics, daily care, and so on and so forth, household products, and many others. As I've said, there are about 600 kind of product there in Korea, but it depends on the availability of products in your country. There in Philippines, I think there are only more than 100 products. So, but what I mean here in this part, in this presentation, that through accumulation of PB, because every time you purchase the product, there is a PB attached on it, and the PB, the point value, can turn to become your income. So without PV, there is no income, right? It's simple as that. So meaning we need to buy products, and then the PB will be accumulated, will be earned, as well as personal PB and group PB, meaning that your group will continue also to use the products. Actively use the products, not just once, not just twice, but regularly. And that's how it works here in Atomy, because the PB can be turned to income. So without PB, there's no income, right? It's simple as that. So we need to accumulate a lot of PB, meaning so we need to buy products regularly. So that's simple as that. Okay, next slide, please. So Atomy's point value or PB, there are two kinds of PB types. Personal PB, our personal PB, and the group PB, which is accumulated, and then we will have the income. So already in the system, as I've said, if you have the 300,000 PB per personal, and then 300,000 PB on your left group, and then 300,000 PB on your right group, so that's the accumulation, and then you will have the income. We call that the basic income here in Atomy. So if you grow your line, so you have a lots of income because it's already in the system. Okay, so that's good thing here in Atomy. Okay, next slide, please. So compensation plan, main source of income for Atomy, we have four. Actually, we call a general commission. That's what I told you. At 300,000 PB for your personal, 300,000 PB in your left and group, right group. So and then afterwards, you have your commission for mastership because we have different level of mastership here. And then later I will discuss that more. No? So on that commission for mastership, and then bonus for mastership, there are bonus, and then commission, educational center, because there's also those who establish and build centers, so they have also commission from educational center. So I hope some of you, someday, some of you, all of us can start, we call that business center, Atomy Center, okay, in our places. Okay, next slide, please. So general commission calculated daily but issued weekly. So here in presentation, I don't know if you can see that clearly, but there's a presentation here. So from your left leg, you have 300,000 PB, no, your personal, and then right leg, and then approximately there is an earnings, no. So about euros, I'm presenting here about euros, and then for your personal, and then down to the level of 2.4. First, this I'm going to present that one by one later in my next slide. So because this is part of the different level of mastership. So from sales master, you will have the 700,000 PB, no? So and then you will accumulate that through this presentation. So I will present that one by one later on that PPT for us to understand clearly on the presentation of how to earn here in Atomy. Okay, next slide, please. So mastership commission calculated, issued in 15 days, especially when you want to challenge yourself to different mastership. But the first mastership we're going to challenge is sales master. So for you to become a sales master, so you will have to accumulate for your personal PB of 700,000. Okay, and then group PB for your left and right should be 2.5 on your left and then 2.5 on your right. And then you will have approximately income of 1,500 euro. Okay, you can calculate that in your own currency. So it's a big amount, right? So, and then Diamond Master, so you will accumulate for your personal PB of 1.5 million on your personal, and then group PB, so you will raise a two sales master. Actually, I'm presenting this one by one in my slide for us to see clearly up to the imperial master. So we can have that incomes. Okay, so next slide, please. So I presented this one by one in my slide. Okay, so for sales master, because there is a challenge here for 15 days challenge. Okay? So, and it's very important to understand that once the challenge started, for example, the first cycle of the month, for example, next month is June 1 to 15. So that's the first cycle for the challenge, 15 days challenge of mastership. So, and then all your group should accumulate 2.5 million PB on your left and then 2.5 million PB on your right. Okay? So once you reach on that, and then for your personal, you have your 700,000 PB. That's your personal PB. And then you will now become a new sales master. Okay? And then you will earn approximately 1,500 every month. Okay? And then you will receive a 300 euro just only bonus. Okay? Per bonus. And then after that, another level of mastership is Diamond Master. Okay? I know you want to become Diamond Master. So And then, Diamond Master, you need to have a personal PB of 1.5 million. So meaning you keep on buying products for your personal use, and when you reach up to point 1.5, and then if you have two sales master on your left and two sales master on your right, so you will become a diamond master, and you will earn approximately 4,500 euro. Okay. So, and then you will receive 1,050 euro, just a bonus. Wow, you can calculate that. It's a big amount. I think in Philippines also a big amount as well. Oh, so while we are doing this, so there's an income. Actually, if you do this challenge, if somebody challenge on your left, you can also challenge on the right to sales master, so that the income, uh, you will accumulate also the income. That's also one strategy for us to understand. Like for example, in your group, you have your person you want to challenge on your left, one person to become sales master. If you can do it on the other side, the right side, also a challenge master, it can be. Okay, so it's a different. You have a level of mastership and income here in Atomy. We call it a double income here in your group and also on your other group. So that's how it works. It depends on your capability and doing it well to do your business. Okay, so on how doing the challenge of mastership. Okay, so that's the second level is Diamond Master. Okay, next slide, please. The next level is Sharon Rose Master, of course. You have the personal PB of 2.4. Actually, that's the last level, the ceiling. And then you are encouraged to challenge a two Diamond Master on your left and two Diamond Master on your right. And you will earn approximately a monthly income of 10,000 euro. Okay, so and then you will receive a bonus of 1,600 euro plus two travel tickets for immediate family, and then 3 nights and 4 days. So, wow, that's good. Okay, so you will have a travel, with your immediate family for 3 nights and 4 days. Okay, so next level of mastership is the Star Master. Also, the same personal PB. That's the last level of personal PB, 2.4 million PB. That's the ceiling. Okay? Starting from Sharon Rose Master going to the Imperial Master. That's why we can meet all in the top. Okay? We can meet all at the top. Okay, so and then for you to become a Star Master, you're required to have two Sharon Rose Master on your left group and two Sharon Rose Master on your right group. And then you will have approximately income every month of 20,000 euro. And then you will receive 7,500 euro as bonus plus business training tour, 4 travel tickets for immediate family for 3 nights and 4 days. Wow, that's good, right? Do you want to become Star Master? Let's do it. Okay, fighting. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, now let's get to the real master, another level of mastership. So, of course, the same personal PB 2.4 million PB. That's the ceiling. So, for you to become royal master, you are required to have a two-star master on your left and two-star master on your right. And then, approximately, you will receive 30 no, 30,000 euro approximately income for monthly. Okay, for monthly income. And then you will receive a bonus of 37,000 euro. Just only bonus. Okay? And permission to use 1,500 euro per month for sponsored activity. Wow, that's great. So you can use that for your activity, and then you will have a car rental, then business tour plus 4 travel tickets for immediate family for 10 nights and 11 days. Oh, 10 nights. Wow, that's good. And 11 days for business tour. Okay, so that's good. thing here in Atomy. Okay, next slide, please. Now let's go to the Crown Master. So for you to become a Crown Master, of course, the personal PB is the same, 2.4 million PB. Okay? So for you to become a Crown Master, so you will required to have a two Royal Master on your left, two Royal Master on your right, and then you will have an approximately income monthly of 60,000 euro. Wow, it's a big amount, right? So and then you will receive a bonus of 2025, 225,000, sorry, 225,000 euro, just a bonus. Wow, that's a big amount. So and then permission to use 3,700 euro per month for sponsored activity. Luxury car, business tour for plus 4 travel tickets for immediate family, 10 nights and 11 days. So that's wow, that's our company. It's very generous. Once we do our best in doing the business, so the company is so generous enough to compensate what we invested our time, our effort, and hard work. So maybe sleepless night, you're doing your best to become a crown master, and then the company will compensate everything based on the system. Okay, next slide, please. And the last level is Imperial Master. Okay, so for you to become Imperial Master, you are required to have a two crown master, and then two crown master on your left, two crown master on your right. So look at that. For personal PB is the same, 2.4 million PB. That's the last level, the ceiling. And then approximately you will receive monthly income of 90,000 euro. Wow, it's a big amount. So and then you will receive 740,000 euro, just a bonus. Wow, it's a big amount. In Philippines, so big amount is 40 million peso. Wow. So permission to use 7,000 euro per month for sponsored activity, luxury car, office rental cost support, then personal assistant like secretary, then you have your driver. Wow, so great, right? Business tour plus 4 travel tickets for immediate family for 10 nights and 11 days. Wow, that's so great, right? So, do you want to become an imperial? So, we can meet all at the top. So, that's a good thing here in Atomy because all of us can be an imperial someday. Okay? So, it's very important, of course, for us to become imperial master and different level of mastership. Of course, let us continue to learn. Okay, next slide, please. So, Atomy success system. For us to become successful, so we need to attend Success Academy, one day seminar, center meeting, global seminar, online seminar, so on and so forth. Meaning, keep on learning. Plug in yourself to the business. So, if you want to become successful, learning matters. Okay, so, and of course, do the hard work. Never give up even in hard times. Business is not easy, right? It's not easy. But if you give up, you become a loser. But if you don't give up, you become a winner. Okay, so, and we become successful. Okay, so fighting Atomians Global Atomy. Okay, next slide, please. I think I'm done. So, thank you for listening. So, Global Atomy, Aja, Aja, fighting. Thank you.